Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Inner Secrets. I'm Diana Raseli, a Reiki healer, a tarot reader, and a life coach. So today's reading is going to be for the zodiac sign of Taurus. Okay, yeah, Taurus, my favorite zodiac sign. Okay, so anyway, Taurus, so this is a generalized reading. Before I start the reading, I would like to say that whatever resonates, please take that, and whatever does not resonate, please leave it. If you want to have a personalized session, you can always contact me. My number is given there. Even if you don't fall under the zodiac sign of Taurus, you can, like share it with your friends and family. So today's reading, whatever I'm going to do, let's see what the tarot is going to give you guidance. Is going to be business, love, finance, whatever the tarot will guide us. That will help you to make a plan for the month of August. You can go, or you will be even mentally prepared if some kind of some things are about to happen, so you will be ready for all those, right? So as I always tell you that, okay, Taurus, you all please remember whichever god or goddesses you follow, and I'm going to call upon my angels. I really have a strong faith in angels because they have always stood beside me whenever I was in my difficulties, whatever. Every day my day starts with the angel, I really get connected to the angel energy. So that is how I always start my day. I give thanks to my universe for whatever I have, right? So being grateful is one of the best thing in life. The moment you start becoming grateful whatever you have, the blessing from the universe starts showering on you. The moment we start complaining that we don't have this, we don't have that, that's the time the universe will grant you more of the things what you keep complaining. So you have to be happy, right? When you start a day with a very positive vibration, when you start being grateful, gratitude, if you start practicing, your life will change. Your life will change. You can manifest anything in your life, okay? So, but that faith has to be very strong. Manifestation, whenever we do, that faith has to be very strong. Before that, we have to learn the art of gratitude. Okay, Taurus, let's see for the month of August what is there. Okay, we are going to see what the card is going to give us a guidance, right? Don't worry if you can't see my card. I'm going to show you one by one. I'm going to lift the card and show you. Yeah, Taurus zodiac people, they don't give up very fast, right? They fight. But you should never play around with Taurus, because if they cut the people out, they do it fully. Like after that, there's no going back to them. So they don't, if they rarely do certain like that kind of things, but when they do it, it's really, I don't know why this devil card. Oh, when I see a devil card, it shakes me up. Okay, Taurus. Finance is there, that's fine. So, okay, Taurus, the first thing what I see is Five of Pentacles. Yes, you are having a little bit crisis of money from the month of August. I think starting of August, little bit of finance will be here and there. Probably, more than having a profit in any of the business, the money is flowing out. So you have to be a little bit tactful about the money. Please keep a tab on whatever expenditure you do. Maintain a proper account, because there are high chances, there can be, if you are into a joint venture with someone, there are high chances of having a misunderstanding due to this financial problem. So please keep your accounts well and maintain that. So you should not have some hard moments between your partners. Okay, so there's a devil card, which I really don't like it, right? The devil also shows a toxicity. I don't know why. Is it that my Taurus people have always faced this scenario of being controlled by others? There's a toxicity. Devil card is there. I'm going to clarify this card. Okay, so another card is the Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune also shows that you are heading for something good in life, Taurus. Please keep working for whatever you're working. Move ahead. I know there are times you might feel very tired and you want to take a break, but don't do it. This is the right time to work hard. August will give you a good push. So in spite of having a very toxic people in your life, there are certain people in your life who are going to really push you ahead in your business. So there are going to be a lot of new ventures also. I can see some kind of new ventures is also there, Taurus. So Taurus people, I can see there's a temperance card. Temperance card also shows a lot of blessing from the angels, from the universe. So maybe sometimes you might feel very disheartened. So you might get very tired how things are working out. Maybe you're a working person, maybe you're a person who has your own business. So sometimes you do feel like it's not working out. You might feel that no, this is an end, I cannot do it anymore. But you are a person like next day when you get up in the morning, you again tighten your belt up and you start for a new day, new venture, right? So for Taurus, the angels are giving you a guidance, telling you that go ahead, I am there with you, there's nothing to worry. So just keep praying, keep having faith, and that's what I was keeping on telling you, that practice gratitude in your life and you are going to see a lot of good things in life. So there is a good blessing of angels, Taurus. Taurus, you have to be really careful. One card which has come is a backstabbing card, and this I really don't like. That is a 10 of swords. So be very careful. I think in last thing also I've told you, be very careful of backstabbing, some kind of cheating. It can also be in relationship, it can also be in a business sector. Some kind of cheating is going to happen, Taurus. So be very careful, be mentally prepared. If it is emotional, if there are people who really want to walk out of your life, it cannot be just with your lovers, it can also be friends or family, they want to walk out of certain things. So you might feel some kind of betrayal from them. So be very careful, Taurus. This month the card shows a lot of betrayal, a lot of toxic people around. The toxicity of devils also shows if some Taurus people are married, too much controlling person is there in your life, who keeps ordering you like do this, do that, don't do this, don't do. So the whole controlling system is there in that person's hands. So please, if you are with certain partner who is over controlling, make sure to talk out with that person and say very clearly that you also have certain yardsticks for yourself, because you also have to do things according to your will. You cannot just be a puppet and go according to a person's will, right? So definitely another card that has come is 8 of Cups. Few of my Taurus people, even though whatever opportunities they are getting, maybe there are chance they are seeing that they are doing very well, but still they are not satisfied with it. They want to go ahead and start something more. So here I would like to say, Taurus, please go slow. Please go slow, because I think sometimes we are so hyperactive that we want to do 10 things at a time. This is going to be a little bit a difficult moment from August onwards, because maybe you are going to face some kind of health issue, Taurus. So be very careful, okay? I'm going to clarify this card for you. So there is another card that is 4 of Pentacles. As I told you, yes, Taurus, even though the money is draining out, mid of August, you are going to see a lot of growth in finance. Finance is going to grow very well, Taurus. Be very happy that finance is going to come, okay? So another card is Ace of Cups. Some kind of beginning, I'm saying, Ace of Cups also says some kind of new ventures, a new beginning, even a new relationship, because basically, Ace of Cups is also deals with the emotions, right? So you might meet up some people who will be there emotionally available for you, and this is something really nice, right? Many partners, it's very easy to get partners who are physically available, but someone to be emotionally beside you is very difficult to get, Taurus. So this really shows there is going to be an entry of a person in your life who will show you that love, affection, care, everything. So this is really nice. So August, I don't know whose energy I'm picking up. End of August, you can see, you might meet some interesting people, okay? Some interesting person, and you might find all those quality in that person. So this is really nice. There's a death card, so definitely certain things are going to end in your life, Taurus. It can also be maybe a business that you have started is going to shut down, or maybe some kind of relationship also I can see that that's going to come to an end. There's going to be a death. So death is always not considered to be some death in the family. Death also shows that finishing of a situation and starting of something new. Okay, so when there's an end, there's also beginning of something. So there is another card that is Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is also a beautiful card. Growth of finance. Taurus people, growth of finance. Mid of August, you're going to see a good growth of finance. This is really nice, right? So yeah, a few cards I would like to clarify is first is this Devil card. I don't know why is this Devil card here. Oh, yeah, as I was telling you about the see, for Taurus, you might have joined certain job, or you might have started something thinking that you're going to have a very good outcome. Okay, yes, there is also Ace of Wands. So definitely you are waiting to start something new. You have a very good aura right now, but somewhere this controlling nature. Okay, basically because this card is clarifying the controlling. So the Taurus, you have to be really careful. I don't know, after clarifying this card, this is what the card is showing. You have to stop controlling people. Okay, you have to be very loyal and very truthful. If there is a certain things in your business that is not going correct, or some kind of financial loss, if you're not putting it in the paper, if you're not finally telling it out, you are going to be in a very bad state. So be very careful not to control all the situation, rather than sit and discuss and take out solution, because the other cards are showing a good card. If you're ready to do that, there are going to be a lot of solution to your problem. So the main thing is, what I'm trying to tell my Taurus people is that if you're suffering from something, please discuss. Okay, if you have a controlling partner, then please discuss. Please don't agree to their will. And if you are controlling, if you have come into an aura for controlling people, then you have to be careful not to put too much of control over other people. So this might backfire you sometimes. Okay, so there are two kind of energies that has come. So you have to stop controlling people according to your will. You have to be very tactful in your business, because if you are like that, if you are very open with the paper, and if you maintain your finance, if you maintain your growth, if you maintain each and everything properly, then you are going to see a lot of growth. But certain places, if you are not very tactful and if you are not open, then in future this is going to create a lot of problem. Okay, Taurus, this is going to create a lot of problem. So you're waiting, maybe you're waiting like when my business will have a lot of flourish, then I'm going to show everything in my paper. But this is not how the business works. So you have to go according to the situation, and you have to discuss and start working on it. Okay, and yes, for the Taurus people who are having a very controlling partner, even if you're married, if you're not married, if you're having a controlling friends or whoever, so just be bold enough to tell them, don't do it. I don't want this kind of control in my life. So another card what I would like to clarify is Ten of Swords. It's a cheating card. I'm not happy with it. Okay. Yeah, so Taurus, I would say the cheating card basically is coming someone very near to you, who is very near, whom you used to trust a lot of trust, a lot of affection. Okay, you are going to have some kind of cheating with the finance part. So Taurus, be very careful. Probably you are a person who keeps traveling and you are not being able to keep a tab or keep an account, like tabbing. So that is going to become a really, when you are going to come to know about this cheating, is going to be a huge amount of money. So be very careful, Taurus. Don't believe with the finance with anyone. So if you see that there are people who cannot be trusted, you have to make sure to throw them off and make some new appointments, because this is happening from quite a long time. Maybe you're not aware. So now please open your eyes and see, go to your workplace. If you're a person who travels a lot, maybe you have two three kind of business, and maybe account you're seeing according on the through internet. But I feel like sometimes your presence is equally needed, because where there are chances where your business can give you a good growth, there the business is not showing any growth. So that typically shows that somewhere the money is not being taken care properly. So you have to be really careful, Taurus. So be careful, because there is a cheating card in the month of August. Something is going to be revealed in front of you that is really going to shock you. So be very careful, Taurus, to trust people in your job sector, especially with the finance. Okay, although the finance is really good. So another card that I would like to clarify is a death card. What is this death card? Yeah, Taurus. So definitely, death card also shows that you, like, so many months or years you were feeling very sad or upset. Maybe you were not fulfilled from inside. You really want a good finance growth. But another red card, I can tell you for the Taurus is, please don't get involved with someone who's married and who already has a partner. Okay, because if you are going to go in this situation, you are going to come into the character of a hermit, and this is not really going to be good for you. Okay, if you really want to see a progress in your life, focus on your work, and definitely someone new will enter into your life. So probably, Taurus, you might have sacrificed a lot of things in your life, but right now I would like to say that if any of the Taurus is having some kind of link with a married person, whether it is a male or whether it's a female, please, I think it will be good for you to stop that relationship if it is not good enough, because you are not going to go into a very good sector. Okay, so if you really want to see a good flourish in money, cut those people out, because whenever we entangled with married people, so there are high chances that ultimately they are never going to leave their family aside, right? So you will be the person who's going to suffer a lot, because that person, whoever it is, whether it's a male or a female, will not give you 100%. So probably what my Taurus people needs is a person who is emotionally available for them, who will be there, who will care for them, who is available. So when we get entangled with married people, half of the time they will not be present in your life, and ultimately you have to spend your time in loneliness. And I don't want my Taurus people to get into such kind of place. So definitely that is why there is a dead card. So probably the card is giving an hint saying that if any of the Taurus energy is entangled with a married person, get rid of it, because that is obstructing your way. Because somehow a person who is not loyal to a wife will never be loyal to you, right? So you have to understand that. Maybe if it's not with all people, maybe some people do have problem with a marriage, so that is a different. If he or she is a divorcee, that's fine. But a person who's already into a relationship and wants to have someone beside is not a good thing, because somehow the karma is also there, because we are breaking someone's family, right? So we don't want to do that. You don't want to get karma, because Taurus, I can see you are going to have an entry of an emotional person. A very good person is coming into your life. So let me clarify this card. My God. Okay, so few of the Taurus people, I would like to say that maybe many of your exes would like to come back into your life. That is what the emotional card is saying. See, maybe few of the exes would like to come back into your life, but I feel, Taurus, I know your character. Whatever is end is end. You don't want to get into that zone again of being neglected, of being left alone. So yes, Taurus, please don't compromise with your ex. In fact, wait for a new person to come into your life. Maybe it's not in the month of August, but coming end of this year 2025, Taurus will meet a very good person. So whichever person you meet, Taurus, that person is going to fulfill all your desires. Whatever you want is going to come. So yeah, I mean, tarot's reading was very powerful today. Okay, so the first one, I'll just give a recap. First reading was your finance. Definitely finance drainage is going on, but from the August your finance is going to be good. For certain sector of people who have got a controlling partner, please try to sort out things and come out of that, you know, like controlling zone, because it's very essential to have an amicable relationship rather than one person controlling a lot. So you have to have that friendly relationship, like you should know each other. So controlling is not a good. Another energy what I've picked up is in a job sector, or if you're running any business, please don't be too controlling to other people, because that might backfire you. You might lose good workers, okay? Or there are also chances that, you know, your work progress might not go so well because you might lose good people, right? That's another reason. Yes, so wheel of fortune shows a good progress from every sector, okay, right? Not just finance but also from other places. You are going to see a good growth, and there's also a blessing of temperance, that is the angelic blessing, or the universe is giving you a lot of blessing in the month of August. You have to be really careful, Taurus, for cheating, because there are high chances of some of your, you know, like workplace people might cheat you with a good amount of money. So somewhere maybe you might have come to know little like, you know, tits and bits of cheating, but if you are not going to stop this, later on is going to be something really big, and this is going to shock you. So don't wait till that happens. Take a proper decision. Yes, finance growth is there, and yeah, the emotions wise, I told you there are high chances that your exes might want to come back into your life, but believe me, they will not change. What character they had, they will be like that. So there will be no changes in them. So be very careful to take a decision to take them back, okay? So there I have seen some kind of death card out here. So there is a red signal here for many of the tarots, unmarried people. If you are entangled with some married person, please get rid of it, because ultimately if you're going to take a long time to be with this person, somewhere you are going to be in a zone of a hermit. You are going to suffer because of this person, because, you know, they are not going to be very loyal to you. And the moment you come out of this phase, the moment you put an end to it, your life will see a lot of growth. The finance will just flow. And Taurus, here's a beautiful finance card. You're going to grow very well with finance. Okay, finance is good, everything is good, okay? So rest part, everything will be managed. Fine. So, well, Taurus, this was the reading. I think the reading of Taurus was very powerful this time in the month of August. So, definitely a lot of things have come out. So, I hope this guidance is going to give you a little bit of guidance. So, whatever decision you take, you are going to be a little alert. If you have liked my reading, Taurus, please hit a like button, subscribe it if you're a new watcher, whoever is watching me. So, and if you like it, definitely you can have a session also if you want to, okay? And yeah, that's what I can say. Hit a like button and subscribe my channel to see some more reading. I am going to do some short videos for my Taurus people, because I can see the love life is not really good. So I want to do the messages from their ex-lovers, what they're going to tell. So keep watching me, Taurus, okay, in my short videos. So take care, bye bye, see you soon.